Hey there! Today, we're checking out the YSSOA Portable Folding Carry Bag Chair, a lightweight and compact stool perfect for all your outdoor adventures like camping, hiking, fishing, and picnics. Measuring 18 by 18 by 28 inches when set up, it's designed to comfortably support both adults and kids, yet folds down to a slim 4.7 by 4.3 by 27.6 inches, making it incredibly easy to carry. Weighing just 3 pounds, this chair features a durable 600D Oxford cloth seat and a sturdy steel frame with a high-strength 16mm height that can hold up to 176 pounds. The smart X-shaped design and reinforced seams ensure stability and comfort, while the user-friendly arc design adds extra support. Plus, it comes with a convenient storage bag for quick packing and easy transport. Whether you're at the beach, garden, or on a trail, this chair offers a reliable and comfortable seating solution wherever you go. Thank you for watching. Check the link in description to buy this product. Please like and subscribe.